In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Boxy charm unboxing. I've talked about this on my channel before. I used to be subscribed to them, and then I canceled my subscription for a while, and then I started it back up. So this is supposed to be their April box, but today's May 1st, so it came kind of late because I just signed up, but next month's box will come sooner. Let's open this box, see what's in there. I'm gonna also like try to use the products on my face and test them out, so whatever's not in here I'm gonna do myself. Like if there's nothing for eyebrows or something like that, I'm gonna do my own eyebrows and then try to make a look with everything else. I'm excited, so let's go ahead and jump into the video. So I used some scissors to cut the seal, and boom. Ooh, this is exciting. I know I'm not tripping. They usually come with like a card that has the list of everything on it and all the products and the prices and everything, but it's not in here, so I don't know what that's about. First thing I see when I open the box are these pretty brushes. It's 5 of them in here. Let's open it up. This is by the brand Lavish. Unfortunately though, I can't tell you the prices and everything because I don't see the card in here, but these are the brushes it comes with. Yes, so pretty. And this green one has a spoolie on the other side. This is like an eyebrow brush. Next item in the box is this Professional Primer by Benefit. Yes, and this is a full-size product. I love that this is in here because I know that this is like a really decent brand, especially the primer. So excited to use that. This is an intensive eye care cream. This is by QMS Medi Cosmetics. Day and Night Eye Cream. It's sealed, which is nice. Take the seal off. Smells like a cream. But I guess this is cool to use like before you go to bed, when you wake up, just to take the bags away. Definitely have bags, so I'm gonna try to incorporate that in my routine. It's like, nah, I don't even have a routine, y'all. Who am I kidding? But I need to come up with one. Recommend some good products to have in your day and night routine. Next is this iconic London illuminator. It's like, it has the dropper, and then that's it blended in. It's darker than you think. Like, pretty. I think this is more for like if you're going out and really trying to get cute, you throw this on because this is kind of bold. But we're gonna make it work today. Next is these Baddington lashes, and they've had this in a BoxyCharm before, but I don't know if it was the same style. Okay, so I don't see a style name on here, but it says if all else fails, bat your lashes, and then those are the lashes. Simple and cute. It comes with glue as well. And lastly is this palette. So overall I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different things. I think in the email it said I got an extra item for signing up. And last is this Aristo palette by Zova. Comes in this nice packaging, and then you slide out the palette. There's the title again. Wow, this is different. Let me take this out. Let's swatch it. Oh, what I didn't notice is that this side is all matte and these are all shimmer shades. So here's the shades on the top row. I don't know if y'all can see that. I mean, it seems a little chalky, but honestly, if you do makeup, you can make anything work. So let me show you guys the shimmer shades. They're cute. So we are going to create a look with all these products. I'm just gonna go and do my eyebrows first, and then we'll come back and use these products to create something. I was gonna start my eyebrows off camera, but then I realized that one of the eyebrow brushes was in the set, so I should use it and see how it applies. Okay, so the eyebrows are done. I definitely do like this brush. I think it got the job done. I think it looks pretty good. So yeah, so far so good with the brush set. Now we're gonna use the Professional Primer, the Professional Pore Primer by Benefit, and I'm just gonna put this all over my face real quick. It smells really good. I'm gonna start with my eyes first, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this palette. I think I'm gonna do something cute with this orange. This is called Central Figure. I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. This is their tapered blending brush. I'm gonna use that same brush and dive into this shade Pluto. Put that right on top of where I put the orange. I'm gonna put that in the crease in the outer corner of my eye. And now I'm just gonna go into this shade Air and Water. This is a shimmery champagne shade, and put that all over my lid with this eye shading brush. Let me try to pop this Energetic shimmer shade on top of that as well. I'm gonna take this orange pencil brush, go into the naturalistic brown shade here, and use it to deepen my crease. And then go back in with this brush and blend everything back together. This look is okay. Let me pop some eyeliner on. Boom, I popped the lashes on. Cute. I just popped some, I just put some mascara on with it, and they're cute. I like them. Okay, let's do the face. I don't really want to do a whole bunch of foundation and stuff, so I'm just gonna use this Wet n Wild bronzer. It's really broken up, but I'm just gonna be careful with it and bronze up my face a little bit. I'm gonna drop some of this iconic illuminator on. Whoa, that's kind of too much. Oh! What the heck? I definitely do not need all that highlight. I'm no makeup expert, but maybe I was supposed to use this under like foundation or something, because nobody's putting this on their face like this. I mean, I guess if you want to be extra, that's not really the vibes I wanted to go for. All right, let's go back to the eyes. I'm gonna go back using this pencil brush, and I'm gonna go into this color up here. This is the In the Ground shade, like a burgundy. I'm gonna take this, the Goddess shade, and pop that in my crease, my inner tear duct. We can also use that to highlight the brow bone a little bit. Boom, there it is. All right, guys, so this is the finished look. Let's see. I really did love these brushes. I am gonna definitely use these because like, these are eyeshadow brushes, and I definitely need all these kind of brushes to create a look. I love that BoxyCharm came with this set, and 5 brushes. I don't know how much they cost, but that's nice. That's a really nice deal. The primer was nice and smooth on my skin. If I were to use foundation, I'm sure it would really cover the pores as it's supposed to, because you can feel it like filling in your pores as you smooth it into your skin. So I do like this. I will definitely be using this as well. The eyeshadow palette was okay. This is the look that I created with it. So, I mean, I don't know. It's just there. I don't know. It's different. The shades could be more pigmented, but I think it's still cute. I will probably still use this palette either way. So, like that. And it's a nice size. It comes with 12 shades. So, that was cool. So, we did the brushes, the primer, the palette. What else? Oh, the lashes. These are cute. I had to pop some mascara on top to blend my actual lashes with the lashes, but with the false lashes. But I think they're cute. Dramatic, kinda. You can wear them during the day or you can wear them at night. And lastly was the day and night eye cream, which I didn't try on the video, but I'm definitely gonna see how it works and try to do like a try to use it multiple days to see if it actually makes a difference. I'm not disappointed in the box. I think for what I got, it was worth the $25 that the box costs monthly. I'm very happy with this box. I'm excited to see what's going to be in next month's box and next month's box. Oh, I didn't talk about the highlight. Way too pigmented for me, just as a regular throw-on highlight. But if you mix it with your foundation or put it under before you put all the other like your foundation, your concealer, and your contour on, I think it'll be really cute underneath. But as like a topper, no. I look crazy. Like, not in the daytime. I would not walk out with that much highlight on my face, no. But that's all the products that came in this box. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.